We will start by cutting a plastic bottle. Using a hot plastic cutter, cut around the neck of the bottle to create a hollow part like this. Cut the remaining neck of the bottle in half and use a hot plastic cutter to make 2 holes in the bottom. Take a plastic tie and thread it through the 2 holes. Tie it tightly to the wooden bar of the chair. You can use an old wooden chair for this. Now try hanging yarn onto the bottles. The yarn will be securely held and you can easily access it when you need it. Next, let's turn a plastic jug into a cute tote bag. Use a marker, the jug, and a ruler to draw the shape of a tote bag on the jug. Cut the bottom part of the jug and use a comb with patterns to create heart shapes on the jug. Use a hot plastic cutter to cut out the hearts you drew on the jug. Cut out the handle of the tote bag. Cut off the extra part and we have a cute tote bag. You can use this tote bag to hold fruit, candy, or personal items. Next, let's turn an old plastic jug into a toilet paper holder. Use hot glue to glue 2 bottle caps to the jug, then place the cardboard tube between the 2 bottle caps. Put the toilet paper into the jug, and you've got a convenient toilet paper holder. Now, we're going to make a multi-purpose dishwashing tool. Using hot glue, glue 1 bottle cap to the sponge. Then trim the edges of the sponge. With this multi-purpose tool, you can wash dishes efficiently without using your hands. Let's turn an old shampoo bottle into a toothpaste holder. Cut out a section of the bottle, then use a hot plastic cutter to create a hole. Use a compass to draw a circle on the CD. Use a drill bit to make 4 small holes on the edge of the CD. Then use scissors to cut off the edge of the CD. Use hot glue to glue the CD to the bottom of the bottle. You can use this holder for toothpaste, toothbrush, and other bathroom items. Let's turn a plastic bottle into a hanging planter. Cut the top of the bottle, then glue 2 bottle caps together. Glue the bottom of the bottle to the edge of the cut, CD. You can put pens, glasses, and other personal items into this planter. Next, let's turn a plastic bottle into a tissue box. Cut off the top of the bottle, then glue the bottom to the edge of the cut CD. Try turning an old paper bag into a towel holder. Cut 2 lines on the side of the bag and roll it up like in the image. Let's turn a plastic bottle into a hanging planter. Cut the top of the bottle, then glue 2 bottle caps together. Let's turn a plastic bottle into a hanging planter. Cut the top of the bottle, then glue 2 bottle caps together. You can use this planter to grow plants. Let's turn a plastic tie into a clothes hanger. You can use this for hanging clothes to keep them organized. Punch a hole in the bottom of the bottle cap. Then, attach the plastic tie to the hole, glue the CD on top. Like and subscribe for more videos.